SLINOVA is a sliding door system that offers a large glazing area with a discrete 80mm frame depth. This means the natural light in the room can be maximised and create a spacious and airy feeling. SLINOVA is not only stylish, but also practical. It is easy to operate, durable, low maintenance, and easy to clean. With SLINOVA, the home will be transformed into a comfortable and inviting space, connecting indoors with the outside environment. This video will show you how to install the SLINOVA sliding door using our installation guide. Step 1. Start by checking the aperture is clean and free from screws, nails, and any sealants. Step 2. Check the aperture height, width, and diagonals to ensure it is equal on all sides and to check for squareness. Also check the measurements of the new patio door. Step 3. Remove the aluminium tread plate, followed by the infills from the sliding sash side, starting with the top infill and then the side infill. Make sure when removing that you keep the corner bungs safe, as you will need these later. Step 4. Remove the screws securing the fixed sash and slide across to the middle. Step 5. Remove infills on fixed sash, starting with the top, then bottom infill, and then the side infill, keeping the corner bungs safe. Step 6. Insert patio door into opening. Check damp course membrane and the sill is level. Step 7. Pack appropriately at the head jambs and sill to ensure that the door is completely square, plumb, and level. Screw fixing of vertical frame jambs on the fixed side. Corner fixings should be between 150mm and 250mm from the external corner. Intermediate fixings should be at centres no greater than 600mm. Step 8. Replace infills into the fixed side frame, starting with the side, followed by the top and replacing the bottom last. Make sure anti-lift block extensions and corner bungs are in place. Screw fix the fixed sash back into position. Step 9. Next is the screw fixing of vertical frame jambs and head on the sliding side, as per installation manual. Check level and plumb. Step 10. Check locking mechanism operates correctly. Step 11. You will now be ready to start glazing, starting with the outside sash. Pack the glass accordingly. The bottom bridge packers should be placed above the position of the rollers. This is approximately 150mm from the corners. Repeat this for the internal sash. Step 12. Replace infills and rubber corner bungs on the sliding sash side, starting with the vertical, then horizontals. Step 13. Check that the lock and keep are aligned. Step 14. Now perform the final operational checks and ensure that the movement of the door is smooth. Step 15. Final installation checklist. Hardware adjustments, including wheels and lock keep if necessary. For further information, please download our SLINOVA patio door installation guide.